Already I explained how to create HackerRank. Now I want to explain how to complete 1 star in C on HackerRank platform. So first of all, we have to open your browser and desktop or laptop. Now you have to open your HackerRank account. So hackerrank.com. After opening into your account, you have to log in into your account with your Gmail ID. Already we discussed how to create HackerRank account. Just here you have to click on login account. Again, you have to click on login account for developers. Now, automatically you will be entering to HackerRank account directly if you already created a account. Now I want to start the C language practice. Now, here you can observe. So here C is nothing but C language. Now I want to explain you how to create 1 star in C on HackerRank platform. So now just here if you observe, there are the different programs. So just have to beginning with starting program. Just click on solve challenge. Here, first of all, you have to understand the task. What is the task? So here task is used to print hello world followed by the given value. So what is the given value? Life is beautiful. So first of all, we have to print hello world. So for printing anything, just you have to use printf function. So printf, just print hello, comma. Here you have to observe. Next, after space, W, capital W, O, R, L, T, hello world. After printing hello world, what is the output? How to print the given value. What is the given value? S. So the next value is printed on the next line. If you want to print anything on next line, you have to use /n. /n is nothing but the cursor is moved to next line. Now we have to print welcome to C programming. Here, welcome to C programming in the sense, what is the variable name? Yes. So S is nothing but string here. So percentage S, comma S. So every statement must be terminated by semicolon in C language. Now this is the code. Now after writing this code, let's check whether it is properly working or not. So for that, you have to click on run code. In case if it is correct, it will give you congratulations message. If it is wrong, what will happen? Your output is hello world. Welcome to C programming. Here also hello world. Welcome to C programming. So what is the difference? The difference is this symbol. Now I have to include the symbol here. Then again, I want to run the code. Then if my output and expected output both are same, then we will receive the message like this. What is the message? Congratulations. Now, after getting this message, if you want to go for the next program, first of all, you have to click on submit code. Now only sample test cases are passed. So now, if all the test cases are passed, then you have to click on next challenge. So next challenge is nothing but next program. Now, what is the next program? Again, you have to understand. What is the next program? You have to print the character CH in the first line, then print S in the second line. In the last, print the sentence SEN. So here we have to do one thing. First of all, we have to observe what is the output format. Here, first one CH. CH in the sense character. SC in the sense language. Language is nothing but string. Sentence. Sentence is nothing but group of characters or group of strings. Now we have to declare three variables. What is the first variable? Char CH. So here CH is nothing but character variable. Next, we have to define S. So S of 200 in the sense it is a string. Now again, I have to declare third variable. What is the third variable? Sentence. Here also I have to use 500. So now I am declaring three variables. First one is as a character input. Second one is the string input. Third one is the sentence. Now I want to read the three values. For character, for string, no issue. But if you want to read the any string with spaces, we have to depending on getS and putS. GetS in the sense read the string, read the unformatted string. PutS is nothing but read the print the unformatted string. So here unformatted in the sense here we have to include with spaces everything. Now first of all we have to do one thing. So first of all I want to read the scanf %c ampersand ch. Here now I am reading character first. After reading character, I want to take string. String in the sense %s ampersand yes. Now I am reading character. After that I am reading string. Now I want to read a group of strings. For reading a group of strings with spaces, you have to use getS function. The getS function is used to read the unformatted input. So here it is the unformatted input. Now I'm reading unformatted input, but here I want to read the unformatted input 2 times because here some issue in HackerRank. For that, we have to read the only especially for this program, we have to write the same lines 2 times. Now, after reading character, after reading string, after reading group of strings, now you can able to print the data. How can you print able to data? Using printf function. So for first, I have to print character. So %c, comma c. Now character will be printed. After printing the character, I have to move the cursor to next line. So /n. Now the next one is what? String. So what is the variable name? Yes. Now after that, I have to move the cursor to next line. So printf /n. So what is the string format? %s, comma sen actually. But here you can use putS, but let's see whether it is working or not. Now I am reading character, string, a group of strings. After reading character, string and sentence, I want to print the character, string and sentence with the printf functions. Now just I want to run the code. So C is undeclared. Sorry, here I'm declaring ch here using C. Please change it to ch. Now, congratulations in the sense my data is accepted. So my code is accepted for the particular program. When sample test case is passed, I have to check for the hidden test case also. If hidden test case is also passed, then it will give you congratulations message. Now, once if you receive this congratulations message, I have to click on next challenge. Now this is the code. Now here you have to observe here there are the two variables. Two are the integers. Here also two variables. Two are the floating values. Now we have to declare four variables. Two variables as integers. Two variables as floating. Now we have to declare two variables. First two variables as integer. Next two variables as floating. float x comma y. Now I'm declaring four variables. So first two variables as integers, second two variables as floating type values. Now I want to read the data. How can I read the data? Whenever if you want to read any data in C language, you have to use scanf function. Here integer format specifier is %d space %d. Now I want to read the integer value at A address and second integer value at B address. Again, as same as I have to read the floating values. The first floating value stored at X value, X location, and the second floating value. Second floating value is stored at Y address location. So ampersand X, ampersand Y. Now I'm reading A value, B value, X value, Y value. Now, first of all, I want to print difference of the each value and sum of the each value. First of all, if you observe, A value as 10, B value is 4. Now, what is the first output? 14. 14 in the sense 10 plus 4. Next output is 6. 10 minus 4. Now, I want to use printf function. So, in this printf function, I have to use two percentage Ds because first one for addition, second one for subtraction. For addition, what should you do? You have to use A minus B. Sorry, for addition, you have to use A plus B. For subtraction, you have to use A minus B. Now, after printing the addition and subtraction, the cursor is moved to next line. Next line in the sense slash n. Now, for same, you have to write printf. Now, the both are floating values, percentage F, percentage F. Now, again, you have to print the differences. What is the differences? Same. Sum of the floating. Sum of the floating is nothing but x plus y, comma, x minus y. X plus y, x minus y. But there is some issue with the floating. Now, if you try to run this code, so here, if you enter 4.0, it takes 4.0000. If you take 2.0 as input, it takes 2.000. But they are asking you to print only 6.0. Now, here you have to mention percentage. After percentage, you have to mention only one floating value. One floating value in the sense 1f. 1f is nothing but after point only one decimal point will be printed. If you enter two decimal points will be printed. But I want only one decimal point. For that, you have to use only 0.1f. So then it will print 6.0, 2.0. Otherwise, it will give you error. Now click on run code. Now if code is correct, it will give you output properly. Otherwise, it will give you errors. So there is no issues in my code. Now code is accepted. Now try to submit the code for hidden test cases. If hidden test cases are passed, then we will get 1 star from C language in HackerRank platform. Now I completed 1 star in C language on HackerRank platform. I hope you also will complete with this video. Thank you. Thank you all of you.